Hey guys, I'm Dr. Scrape. Today we're gonna do a SLiPLO bumper scrape guard install on this pretty Aston Martin here. Let's get started. Before we install and clean, I just wanted to show you guys what's happening here, where it's hitting. So this is the main critical area here, and probably like these two corners around here, I would say. The reason I cut the pieces down by 1/4 inch is because the edge that I'm starting from, it's about 1 inch rather than about 1.5 inches. So I need the piece to be smaller so it's able, so I can get it to fit correctly onto the surface area without any kind of overhang. Remove the backing of the adhesive. And we're gonna start on this corner and just follow the body line nice and smoothly. Remove backing, line it up, make sure it lines up cleanly between the two different pieces of SLiPLO so you get a nice straight line. And again, work the front lip, following the edge of the lip. We're gonna trim our last piece here, put it, line it up there, and kind of see where you need to trim, which is gonna be right about there. Looks like a pretty nice cut. Line it up there, and line it up there. That's all it is. Guys, we're all done up. It took about 20 minutes to do the entire lip. That's from cleaning to the final installation of the final piece. Took 7 pieces to do. Super simple, anybody could do it. If you guys are interested in getting your car protected with SLiPLO, I have left a link to our DIY kit below. Make sure to click it and follow it.
Yeah, pull up on your driveway, vibing in the summer, but all you seem to get are scratches on your lower bumper. Driving 2 miles an hour every single day, but when you pulling out, all you hearing is a scrape. SLiPLO